Alright gang, this is my 2019 Commencal Meta HT long-term review. Alright gang, this is after just over 1 year of owning the Commencal Meta HT, and this has been a joy to ride, but I definitely at this point have this bike way over spec'd, so I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a rundown of what I got done to her. Alright, we'll start with the tires. So in the rear, I am running a Butcher with the black diamond casing. I am running Core Plus front and rear. You know, they're not the best traction tires in the world, but they have that DH casing on a 2.6 tire, so I'm pretty happy with it just because of that. It is a 27.5, by the way. Front tire, still rocking the Minion DHF EXO casing, also with the Core Plus. 27.5, and yeah, she's been rocking just perfectly. Rims are Bontrager line 40, so that's 40 mil of internal width. I think it's more like 37 millimeters of internal width, so nice and wide, which I want on this bike. Of course, running boost. The rear hub is that rapid drive that comes with 3 poles. I think it's like 54 points of engagement or something like that. But anyways, you can do an upgrade kit and it brings it up to, like, don't quote me on it, it's like 96 or 100 something points of engagement. I'll give you guys a little hint of that sound right now. Alright, drivetrain. I am running the Sun Race cassette, 11 speed. That is 11 to 46. That's more than enough, I think, for this bike. It's running a SRAM NX drivetrain. So basically everything's the stock SRAM 11 speed NX minus the cassette, because the stock comes 1142. I went to 1136. I mean, sorry, 1146. So that's been working out just fine. Cranks are the stock NX cranks. Not a huge fan of the bottom bracket on these, but whatever. You do what you gotta do. I usually run Crank Brothers stamps, but I bent one the other week. So right now, I just got these cheap Spanx on there, which are okay. Brakes. Brakes were a big upgrade I did this year, which I love. As anybody knows, I love to descend and I love plowing. So I've upgraded both front and rear rotors to 203 Ice Techs. Both front and rear, lots of bite. And then I went from the SRAM level calipers to Shimano Z. I've always been a big Shimano fan, just I feel like they're easier to work on, and I love the bite that I get from these brakes. Dropper, still rocking that one-up components. 170 mil dropper, she's been doing all right. Not amazing, but not bad at all. Pretty simple. Pretty happy with it. Stock saddle from Commencal. Front fork, this was a big one. So I went to 170 mil Fox 36 2020 with the Grip 2 damper. Oh my gosh, this brings this bike alive. 170 is definitely on the extreme side of things. This is a 29er fork as well, so I'm able to switch both front and rear to 29 if I feel like it. One thing I might do is bring down this riser bar. So this riser bar is an FU40. Now that I got the 170 mil fork on there, I think I'm going to bring this down to just a 20 mil rise to keep my body position a little bit lower, to keep it, you know, still all right when I'm pedaling. I do feel like it's a little bit more downhill slack right now, sitting really high. But yeah, this bike's been fantastic. Super stiff frame, super reliable frame, and also really inexpensive. Out of aggressive hardtails, this is probably one of the most inexpensive frames you can find. I think Commencal has the Essential build, if I'm correct, right now on sale, 2019's model, for 1,700 bucks Canadian. So that's not too shabby for a full build. The only thing you don't get is a dropper, I think, in that. But yeah, I'm here at Chilliwack, Vetter Mountain, atop of Black Forest Ham. What do you say we give her a rip and see what this bad boy is all about? All right, baby, let's go. The one thing I like about Black Forest Ham is, although it's pretty steep, I feel like you can really see what's coming in these steeper sections. And what I mean by that is, as you kind of traverse down the steep, you can see farther down the mountain. So you kind of have an idea what's coming up. So there's no real big surprises, and it definitely takes a level of difficulty away from this trail. And the fact that it's nice and loamy, fun, helps as well. So like through here, we go through these cuts back and forth. You can kind of see what's coming. Even the big drop, you can kind of have an idea what's coming up. Gives you time to slow down and set up. So I can see way down the trail. And that's pretty confidence inspiring. Let me know if you guys want some more like commentary on these trails so you know how they run, or if you just are like me and you like to hear just the sound of the trail. I'm easy. By the way, this new 36 with the Grip 2, game changer. Absolute game changer. Cannot believe it. Whoa. Oh, these shoes though, man, are absolutely killing me. Nice and loamy and loose. I love it. One of my favorite race stages of the year is this trail. Whoops. Like I've said in other videos, this trail wet is a whole another animal. Pretty sketchy actually. So definitely like to stick to it when it's dry and or loamy. Right now it's just running great. Yeah. Love it. So good. Oh, love it, baby. Upgrading those brakes to 203mm rotors has definitely also made a really big difference in the braking department for trails like this, even if it's on a hard tail. So I'm loving that right now. May have to drop that riser down 10 or 20 mil to compensate for the 29 or 174. Oh yeah, love that trail. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that review of the 2019 Commencal Meta HT. Like I said, love this bike. Hopefully it gives you a little bit more of an idea of what this thing's capable, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom!